These dimensions are still redacted. Do we have the clearance?
Not yet. We just need to verify the mounting brackets for the payload.
Alignment checks complete on Station 4. Copy that. Proceeding with the next sequence. The alignment on panel 4 is still showing a minor deviation.
Let me recalibrate the sensor array and check the tolerances again.
The technician uses a series of ultra-fine precision tools, including a torque screwdriver set to less than 1 Newton.
Ignition sequence check. Verify all personnel are behind blast lines. All teams report clear. Pressure holding steady at 500 psi.
Final safety clearance, confirm evacuation.
Acknowledged. Test bay clear.
Checklist complete, sequence start authorized.
Automated sequence initiated, fuel pressure holding steady.
T-minus 10 seconds. 9, 8,
Turbine spin up looks good, go for ignition.
7, 6.
Okay team, systematic advance to 20% power, stabilize and hold.
Confirming 20%, all parameters looking nominal.
Fuel flow steady at the new set point, conductor.
Advance engine to full power. We have achieved maximum thrust, 15,250.
Controlled power reduction initiated. Final shutdown call.
Engine coasted down, all clear to open the bay. Advancing throttle to 50%. Monitor turbine inlet temperature.
Stable readings at all levels. Specific fuel consumption within margin.
Ignition sequence initiated. Chamber pressure is rising. Confirming stable light off and proceeding to full thrust.
We are holding steady at the required power setting. All parameters green.
Confirmed. Post-test inspection shows no wear distress.
Increase throttle to 70%. Hold for stable readings.
Pressure checks as nominal. Turbine temps holding steady.
Cross-referencing the schematic now.
Okay, the tolerances are within spec. We can proceed.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through multi-steering process from GF conceptualization to EO3 generation. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is dedicated to original craftsmanship and follows all 2026 GFT monetization rules.